Hello everyone, welcome back to VidsTube. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking, and here is where you will find detailed tech reviews for a variety of smartwatches like this one. And in today's video, I'll show you how to enter and exit the demo mode, also known as a retail mode, for any Wear OS smartwatches. So let's get started. So the demo mode or the retail mode, as the name implies, is a mode where you can check out all the features of the watch without entering the account details. So before I show you how to exit the demo mode, let me show you how to enter the demo mode. Now, why would you enter a demo mode? Well, it's mostly for retailers so they can show the demo of all the functions of the Wear OS smartwatch without setting it up to a Google account. By the way, you will need a Google account to use any Wear OS smartwatch. So for people like you and me, it'll be really helpful if we were to sell the smartwatch, as with the retail mode you can show the buyer all the features without entering your personal detail and then exit the retail mode when they are ready to buy. Let me know in the comments down below if you can think of any other situation where you can use this demo mode. Now, to enter the demo mode, you have to reset your watch, and to do that you have to go in settings, and there you will find disconnect and reset. Once you do that, all the data of the watch, including accounts and stuff, will be erased and your watch will start as if it came out of the box. You'll be prompted to select the language, agree to terms and condition, and on the Google Wear OS setup screen, which will display your watch model and make your watch discoverable to the Wear OS mobile app. Now here you have to use your two fingers. The finger on the left will be just touching the screen, and the finger on the right you have to tap about 5 times on the screen to get a prompt which will say lock device in retail mode until device resets. Once you select it, the watch will enter a mode called demo mode or a retail mode, where all the functions will work as if the watch is functional, but you can't interact with all the features as you would once you have entered all the account informations. Okay, now that you know how to enter the demo mode, let me show you how to exit the demo mode or the retail mode. This is an extremely helpful feature, and I get a lot of comments on how to exit the retail mode, as most people who buy a used or a demo piece of any Wear OS smartwatch will not know how to exit this mode. So all you have to do is slide down from the main watch face screen and you will find the setting options on the top. You won't be able to enter the settings unless you do the same process that we did to enter the retail mode in the first place, as I showed earlier during this video. So you have to place one finger on the left side of the screen, and with the other finger you have to tap 5 times on the right side of the screen, and you will instantly be able to enter settings, where you'll find option to disconnect and reset. Just press it and the watch will boot up normally. It's gonna take a while, about 5 minutes or so, and then you can go through the entire setup process, for which I have done a detailed video and it's linked up in the card section. You can check it out once you're done watching this one. Now, in case if your watch gets dysfunctional or stuck in the retail mode and you can't do what I showed up earlier, then you can try reset the watch via recovery mode, for which I have done a video, again linked in the video description, end of the video, and up in the card section. Be sure to check it out. Also guys, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to smash that like button and please consider subscribing. I have 300 plus smartwatch videos and more to come on this channel. Come on guys, just click that subscribe button, it's free for you. Now to end this video, I'll show the entire entering and exiting process for this retail mode, also known as demo mode, on my TicwatchPro smartwatch. And guys, I have tested this one on other Wear OS smartwatches. So as said earlier, this will work on any Wear OS smartwatch. So to enter the demo mode, once you have taken the watch out of the box or once you have disconnected and reset it, you will get a prompt to select the language. Then agree terms and condition. And on the main Wear OS setup screen, place one finger on the left side of the screen and tap the right side of the screen about 5 times to get a prompt of lock device in retail mode until device resets. Once you agree, the watch will enter the retail mode. Now to exit the mode, all you have to do is drag down to access the top drop down setting menu from the main watch face screen. Select settings and again do the same process. Place one finger on the left side of the screen and tap 5 times on the right side of the screen to access all these settings. And go ahead and select disconnect and reset to exit the demo mode. After which you can do a normal setup of your watch as if it would do when the watch came out of the box. Okay, that's it. Guys, please follow me on my other social media network for early preview to upcoming videos and giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.